Listen up, food fans. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure like no other. We're living in the golden age of crispy, crunchy goodness. From fries to snacks, the crunch revolution is here. Gone are the days of greasy deep fryers. No more messy cleanups and oil splatters. Air fryers are here, and they're changing the game. These modern marvels are transforming how we cook. These bad boys use hot air to deliver that satisfying crunch we crave, all while using less oil. It's a game changer for health-conscious foodies. That means healthier eating and less guilt for indulging in your favorite fried foods. Imagine enjoying your favorite treats without the extra calories. We're talking crispy French fries, juicy chicken wings, and so much more. And even perfectly roasted vegetables. The possibilities are endless. From appetizers to main courses, the air fryer does it all. So, if you're looking for a way to upgrade your kitchen game, an air fryer is the way to go. It's a must-have for any modern kitchen. But with so many options on the market, which one do you choose? The choices can be overwhelming. That's where I come in. I'm here to guide you through the maze of options. I'm taking a ride in the Flavortown Express to test out the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1. This is one of the top contenders. This beast boasts 6 different cooking functions and a spacious 6.5-quart capacity. It's designed to handle all your cooking needs. We're gonna put it through the ringer and see if it lives up to the hype. From frying to roasting, we'll test every function. Buckle up, folks, it's gonna be a wild ride. Stay tuned as we explore the future of flavor together. First impressions? This Ninja means business. It's got a sleek black design that screams, "I'm here to cook some serious food." The 6.5-quart basket is a real game changer. You can fit a whole chicken in there, or enough fries to feed a family of 4. Trust me, I tested it. The build quality is solid. This thing feels like it can handle anything you throw at it, figuratively, of course. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for easy cleanup. The control panel is straightforward and easy to navigate. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 looks and feels like a premium appliance. It's got that set-it-and-forget-it vibe that makes cooking a breeze. But let's get to the important part. How does it cook? Alright, let's fire this bad boy up and see what it can do. We're diving into the world of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL, and it's time to put its capabilities to the ultimate test. This Ninja boasts 6 functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and broil. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your kitchen, all packed into one sleek appliance. We're talking a whole culinary arsenal in one appliance. Imagine the possibilities. Endless recipes and culinary adventures await. First up, the air fryer function. This is where the magic begins. I tossed some chicken wings in my signature spice rub and let the Ninja work its magic. The anticipation was real as the aroma filled the kitchen. The result? Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. These wings were a hit, perfect for game day or any gathering. The air fryer function definitely lives up to the hype. It's a game changer for quick, delicious meals. Next, we tackled some roasted vegetables, a healthy and tasty side dish that complements any meal. I chopped up some broccoli, carrots, and zucchini, tossed them in olive oil and seasonings, and popped them in the Ninja. The ease of preparation was impressive. The veggies came out perfectly roasted, tender with a hint of char. They were a delightful addition to our dinner table. We also put the baking, reheating, and dehydrating functions to the test. Each function brought something unique to the table. The Ninja handled everything like a champ. From reheating leftovers to baking fresh treats, it didn't disappoint. We even used it to make beef jerky, and it turned out fantastic. Perfectly chewy and packed with flavor. The broil function is great for adding a finishing touch, like crisping up the top of a casserole. It adds that perfect golden brown layer. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 delivers on its promise of versatility. It's a powerhouse in the kitchen. It's a true multitasker that can handle all your cooking needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this appliance is a must-have. Section 4. Easy does it. This Ninja won't throw any spinning kicks at you. One of the things that impressed me most about the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 is how easy it is to use. The digital control panel is clear and intuitive. Even if you're not a tech-savvy chef, you'll have no problem figuring this thing out. The preset programs are a real time saver. Just select what you're cooking: chicken, fries, veggies, etc. And the Ninja takes care of the rest. It automatically adjusts the time and temperature for perfect results every time. But don't worry, you can still customize your cooking settings if you want to get fancy. The timer and temperature controls are easy to adjust, so you can experiment to your heart's content. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 makes cooking fun and accessible. Section 5. Keeping it clean. A little elbow. Grease never hurts. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room: cleaning. Nobody likes scrubbing greasy pots and pans. The good news is, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 is relatively easy to clean. The nonstick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, which is a major plus. However, the heating element can be a bit trickier to clean. Food particles tend to get stuck in there, and it can be a pain to get them out. You'll need to use a brush or a damp cloth to clean it thoroughly. Overall, cleaning the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 isn't rocket science. Just a little elbow grease and you're good to go. Trust me, the crispy, delicious results are worth the effort. Section 6. The good and the not so bad. Weighing the Ninja's worth. Okay gang, let's break it down and see what this appliance really offers. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 is a powerful and versatile appliance that can handle all your cooking needs, from simple snacks to full meals. But no appliance is perfect, so let's take a look at the pros and cons in detail. Pros. Versatility. 6 cooking functions in one appliance, making it a true kitchen multitasker. Air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and broil like a pro. You can prepare a variety of dishes effortlessly. Large capacity. The 6.5-quart basket can fit a whole chicken or enough fries for the whole family, making it perfect for gatherings. Easy to use. Digital control panel and preset programs make cooking a breeze, even for beginners. Crispy results. Delivers that satisfying crunch we all crave, with less oil than traditional frying, making it a healthier option. Easy to clean. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Cons can be noisy. The fan can get pretty loud, especially when using the air fry function, which might be a bit annoying. Heating element can be tricky to clean. Food particles can get stuck in the heating element, requiring a bit of scrubbing and patience. Smoke production. The broil function can produce some smoke, so make sure your kitchen is well ventilated to avoid any issues. Section 7. The final verdict. Is this Ninja a kitchen all-star? So, after putting the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 through its paces, what's the final verdict? This Ninja is a winner. It's a versatile, easy-to-use appliance that delivers crispy, delicious results. The large capacity and 6 cooking functions make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Sure, it's not perfect, the fan can be a bit loud, and the heating element requires some extra attention during cleaning. But those are minor drawbacks compared to the convenience and versatility this appliance offers. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your cooking game and enjoy healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 is a worthy investment. It's time to ditch the deep fryer and embrace the future of flavor.